and welcome to Crochet Infusion. Thank you so much for being here today. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do the chainless foundation. So for tutorial purposes I'm just using DK yarn and a size 6mm crochet hook. As I said, for demonstration purposes only. So to begin you want to start by making a slip knot. So make your slip knot however you make yours. And then obviously attach to your hook. So with the chainless foundation, you just want to do a chain of 2. So 1 and 2. So now we've got a chain of 2, we need to go into that very first chain and make a chain and a single crochet at the same time. So insert your hook into that first chain and see where we've got the chain at the front and we've got a chain at the back. You want to go under those 2 loops. And pick your yarn through and pull up a loop, pick up your yarn and pull through the loop, only one loop that's on your hook, pick up your yarn again, so yarn over one more time and pull through 2 loops, and then you would repeat that again. So I kept my thumb there deliberately so I know where my next chain is going to go. So I'm now going to insert my hook right where my thumb was, and it's a good indicator to know where you are when you're doing this. So pull the yarn through 1 loop, thumb back over that chain, pick up the yarn again and pull through 2 loops, and then we can go back and pull through 1 and pull through 2, and you're just going to keep repeating this until you've got the required stitch amount rather than the chain amount when you are doing this chainless foundation. What happens with this type of foundation is it's a lot more nicer. It gives a nice give in your work, especially when you're making garments. So it's, some people say it's quicker. I'm not so sure if it's quicker or not, but it's definitely a lot more nicer finish to your work rather than the, you know, a single foundation and then work the row on top. So when you have finished and you are ready to go on to the next row, you would obviously chain 1. If working in single crochet, you chain 1 and you would turn your work. So theoretically this is going to be row 2 rather than row 1 because you've already got your first row of single crochets there already. So go into the first stitch and make another 1 single crochet, and you keep working on your single crochets for row 2, because as I said, you've got your foundation, 1 row of singles, and now a second row of singles on top. So this is technically row 2, and then you would repeat that until you are completed. And as I said, it's a lot more nicer than the other way. So when we do a foundation, a standard foundation, you would do a chain, for example, of 6. You would do 5, like if you wanted 5 stitches, you would do 5 stitches for the chainless. But because this is just a foundation, you would add 1 extra on for single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then you would work into the second chain from the hook of a 1 single crochet across. This would now give you 5 stitches rather than 6. So once I get to the end of here, you will then notice your foundation on row 1 is actually not as stretchy as the chainless foundation, and then you would chain 1 and turn and work back into the next row. So that would be 1 foundation and row 1. So that is it for the chainless foundation. I hope that is useful for you. If you did enjoy this tutorial, please give this tutorial a like and subscribe to my tutorial for more of these kind of tutorials. Thank you everyone. Bye.